to wear this. I don't even know if I can shit on top of it. My first time wearing this. It looks stupid. Anyways, let's get started playing around. Rihanna. Yo. Rihanna is pregnant. I can't believe Rihanna's pregnant. Listen. Like, I did not know she was pregnant. I did not expect that. Some people saying that. Remember something, some other post? It was something that was posted a couple weeks ago. And I was like, y'all want her to be pregnant so bad. Because, I mean, like, you know, you're not the first time you've seen Rihanna was pregnant. So I said that. I mean, like, why are you saying that she's pregnant? But turned out I was wrong. But she is pregnant. That's crazy. When I went on Instagram about the change, and I posted some of my story, and I refreshed the page, and I see, I literally screamed. Yo, that's crazy. And she looks so freaking good. She looks so gorgeous. Like, seriously? She looks hot. But it's freezing, and Rihanna has a coat on. And ASAP is like bundled up. That's a Caribbean girl. She looks amazing. She looks so good. Look at her belly. Look at her freaking belly. Oh my god. Where is comment in this 5 years old? That comment is funny. Yeah. After somebody says it's only rain, I can believe that. Listen. A$AP Rocky is the luckiest man in the world. Okay. He got Rihanna pregnant. Like, y'all know Chris Brown is tight. Chris Brown is peace. No way. That was his fault. That's his fault. And Drake. I gotta be somebody who treats you good. Okay. That's good because they did it before and then they stopped, you know, they were other people and came up to her. She found her family. It's so cute. I'm so happy for her. But we ain't gonna get no music. He is not gonna get no more music. Well, probably not. You know what? Let me not say that because then she probably come out with music this week or next week. No, I'm not even really surprised if she do that. Popped up on those people's like, surprise bitches. I did not expect that. Because we used to Rihanna not posting stuff all the time, so I didn't expect it was pregnant. Oh my god. I'm excited. She made a whole lot of money already. She's working it, so. Like, every time to have some babies. And let me figure she had twins. Maybe so there she had twins, but Rihanna is pregnant. She looks gorgeous. look even more flawless while she's pregnant. Because that stomach looks adorable. Her stomach is so cute. And yep, I didn't change my DP. Enough. Oh well, I know I love you on the phone. Who gonna feed them? No, can't sit on too. Because that's my life. Even though you start rocking about her pregnant, that is my life. Okay. My girl is pregnant. I wish she had posted on her page, though, instead of the blog posting it. I wish she had did it first. I guess that's all she wanted it because she went out in the public and revealed it. So she wanted it. I should have got it. Thing looks so stupid from the face. He's telling me about it, you know? It's really stupid from the face. Oh. Not everybody want to post baby pictures. Baby that they're expecting a baby now. I could let Rihanna have this baby. Yeah. Now the Brett and Jessica are expecting. That could let Rihanna have her they can. The comments said, somebody in the comments said, it's Rihanna Day. Y'all see this? He's coming right here. That's what I said. Like, let Rihanna have her date. Damn. I'll put that shit tomorrow. Like, let me have it. Like, fuck. She said it's Rihanna. All of a sudden, y'all want to post y'all having a baby. Y'all is not trying to outshine Rihanna. Y'all can't exactly try. So. They could have waited. But somebody told her to log off because she said it's Rihanna Day. Right. I don't care about them either. So. Facts. That's what I said too. They could have waited till tomorrow. Hey, what's that trying to do? We don't care. It's a good panado. Pregnancy will look on her. But yeah, I just wanted to, make like a video about that. I'm happy for my girl, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, I came out of that little space out there because I told them that if I'm wearing a face shield, it's making me hot. So, see, I'm not wearing it right now because, So, they put me outside. A little dusty, a little glass thingy. It's much better for me. I could be inside there and having the face shield on. I was talking to about like an hour ago. And she was like, she want me to be the, here at this job, at this site, because they have other guards that's coming in. They want me to train.
Appreciate it.
Okay. So they go, she says she gonna give me a little raise. Cause I'm always gotta be the one to train people when they come here. Like, no lie. I always gotta be the one to train people when they come here. So she's gonna give me a raise. Whether it's $1 or $2, she just said it's gonna be in my next paycheck. Okay, and I am for that. I have been working my ass off. They want me to train all these people. Like, I always gotta train somebody because I'm the first one that ever been to this site working at, up here on this floor with the school people. It's all the people that work downstairs, but the other guards at my company that work downstairs on the lobby, but I work here on the 18th floor. I've been here. And it's crazy because I have quit this job and they call me back. But that lady know that she could trust me. That's what she said too. She said she knew she could trust me. She know I'm a good worker. Like, I get things done, okay? I don't play. So she gave me a little raise, yeah. And me excited for that. Okay? She said she's gonna give me a raise. I deserve it. Okay? The girl deserve it. So, I'm excited about it. So, this is for me. This mask, like K9 mask. Those are the iPads to sign people in. These are the gloves I gotta put on to take off the K9 mask and give people both of them, like that mask and that mask. So, and this is all. You see? Yeah. This is work for me.
So I come in here to find a sweater for Kimani, but look what I see instead. They got these shirts. That one at the end is Aaliyah, but I don't like how it looks. We got Whitney, and about Marley. I just bought one of these. And I like this one. But I have a friend shirt already, so I'm not even gonna buy it. It says life is better with friends. It's cute. But this Aaliyah, they got Selena. But this Aaliyah shirt though, gosh, it's $18.99. Oh, they got prints. I didn't see that. It's $18.99, but I don't like the color. I don't like pink. Pink is not my color. The burgundy is fine. I just bought a Bar Marley one because I need a new Bar Marley shirt. And they got a bunch of them. I got an extra small because first of all, y'all know Old Navy stuff cut big. This is the small. This is small. And I'm kind of slim, somewhat. So I got an extra small because this looks big. I'm going to show y'all in the mirror. Let's see how big it looks. It's on my leg. So, well, if I gotta exchange it, I can exchange it. Look at my hair. But yeah. Damn, yo, why couldn't be a better shirt? I don't like that color. Let me get out of here. Old Navy clothes run big. If you know, you know. Ooh, I think, this is where I got this shirt from. The French shirt that I have. Here it is right here. I think I bought a small. Like I said, they cut too damn big, so you don't need to get no, well, you want to on your body size. Oh, this is so cute. I didn't see this. Look at Janet Jackson sweater. That's nice. How much treats? That's extra small. It's like a small. They run big. Like I said. So, let me go. Today Friday, and me come off work early. Well, I started working at 8:30 this morning, so I got up at 5, and I'm gonna stop at my job. So this really have I have another Bob Marley shirt. I don't like the color. Who this? Bob. I don't know who this. Basically the girl version of the one that I bought. This one is $20. Jimi Hendrix. This is such a shirt. Who is this? Stevie Nicks. Okay.
dance floor packed, that's without a doubt. Shorty shake that thing like a pro, man. She back it up on me, I'm like, oh man. I got close enough to her.
See the rain done washed away the snow. Let the bed. Target. Target. Everybody going to Target. And they got Sephora right here. I wonder if this is the one Rihanna was at the other day. Probably. Who knows? I would have. I think the bag got some. I'm going to use for like a little. Keep going in. See what they got. It's been raining since yesterday. We have to finish raining because we don't want to see that dirty ass snow. This is my second favorite store from Dollar Tree. There's a new one downtown Brooklyn, guys. I think this is where my old job used to be at. It's really built up out of the way.
Walk around because I'm tired. I'm trying to be here forever. It's cute. It smells good. I smelled that yesterday, the one by my job, and this one. It smells good. Oh, I didn't see. I had to see this one, but I didn't see the sample yesterday. Let me smell it right now.
The lips. This is cute. Tester. Smell. You said no. It smells good. It smells good. Wow. It's called Kimberly's. Oh, I'll show you. This one. It's me. And they have this one, which is this one. Smells good too. And this one. The New York Apple. I picked up a deal for my peoples.
I actually bought a thing yesterday too. Not the hat. I see hats right here. That's why I'm putting up hats. Not hats. I'm talking about the $5. What's someone calling me about the lights? Yo, I really don't know what the name of this thing right now. Hey, how you doing? You ready to go? You need help? I'm good, thank you. I'm just looking. What's the name? Ring light. Damn. Yo, me and this head of mine. Seriously, like. So if you have a conversation with me and I don't remember, I really don't remember, and I'm not even playing. Like, I really don't remember.
I bought one of these. So, my house slippers. It's like a blue one first. But these are cute. I saw something like these on Shein though. And then, yeah, it's cheaper in here. Cheaper in here. Let me get out of here. I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing. This is definitely where my job used to be at. My old job. Working at a thrift store used to be at. Because it's right next to the McDonald's. And that store been shut down. Probably like 2-3 years now. So, alright, man. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you. That was nice. See? Downtown Brooklyn. See, it's right next to I think the McDonald's is shut down too. Can't really see. The light is mad bright, but there you go, Five Below. Right next to the Foot Locker. I'm gonna go home now.